Hi friends, welcome to diycraftysewing channel. Today we are going to make one of the amazing flower. For that we are taking the ribbon piece which is having the width 2.5 centimeters and length 6 centimeters. Now give heat touch up to the edges of the ribbon. Do the same procedure for other petals. Here I am taking 6 petals. Take the needle along with thread. Give a running stitch as shown here. As shown in the video, similarly join the other petals. After completion of joining the petals, pull the thread as shown here. After completion of petals gathering, give a secure knot and trim out the extra thread. If you like our video, please like it and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Now adjust the petal for better look. In middle of the flower, decorate with ornamental stone. Now beautiful flower is ready. Thanks for watching.